Hello everyone! In this video, we will see how to create viral shorts using Capcut. So let's get into it. First of all, let's navigate to Capcut and open it. As you can see, I have already opened it on my computer screen and imported some footage. Let's select these footages and import them into the timeline at the bottom of the screen. You can adjust the video length by stretching it from the corner. If you want to make a short, then you need to change the video dimensions or ratio to 9:16. Now adjust the video by stretching it from the corners in the Media tab. Adjust other videos as well. Once you are done, from the top right menu, you can open and apply transitions to the video. To apply a transition, simply drag it onto the video and place it over the footage. There are hundreds of free effects that you can also apply to the video according to your desire. You can apply stickers to make the video more attractive. In the Text tab, you can explore text templates with different font styles and designs. Animation also makes your video more effective and attracts viewers' attention. Simply click on the animation that you like, and it will automatically apply to the video. Once you are all done, from the top right side, click on Export. Here, type your video title, set video settings, and then click on Export. And that's it. This is how you can make viral shorts in the Capcut video editor. I hope this video is helpful for you. For more videos, please subscribe to our YouTube channel, and thank you for watching.